Okay, so this is the bracelet everybody wanted me to make a video of. I call it a butterfly, and I think I first called it a union of the snake. But anyway, you start up here with a cow's hitch, and you can see where I've fused the different colors together. So there's two colors about 5 foot long. This is an 8-inch bracelet. And come down here, you go, you go across the top underneath, and then you just form a Solomon's knot and tighten that up. And so whichever color you want to be in the center, which runs down through the center, that'll be the second cord that you're going to use. It's not going to do a loop, so this here will be the outside color, so the white. So you take it, cross it over both cords, you bring this color underneath, and you go over the top and down through the middle. Just pull that all the way through. Make sure it don't knot up. Then you end with this right here. And this is a really delicate bracelet. This isn't one that you jerk on and tighten up really tight. So you want to tighten this blue one up. And this first one it's not going to look exactly like you want it to look, unfortunately. This is just how it just starts. So we'll do another loop. We'll go underneath and back down through. So once again, here you go. Now, put your hand underneath and you want to pull your inside color up so where it's at an angle like this. So you pull it up, but don't pull too tight. If you do, it's going to mess your bracelet up. Same way with this one here. Like I said, this is the beginning of this, so it's going to look a little funny in the beginning, but trust me, right here in a second it's going to look better. So you're going to pull this. This is going to be your outside edge cord here. So once again, across, underneath, down through the middle, pull through. There you go. Pull up. Now you're beginning to see. Pull up at an angle. Always pull your outside color last. Don't pull it tight. Whatever you do, do not pull it tight. Just snug it up. There'll be a lot of play in here. You don't want to pull it like that. So you want to have some room, but you can see down in there. Not much. So you just continue. Across. Your outside cord, your inside cord goes underneath, up and down through the middle. Pull that up. Hold these cords, pull that up. Snug it up. Keep your hand and with some pressure on it, and then pull this down. You can do it, you can work it like that. Snug it up a little more, not too much. You're beginning to see what it's going to look like. We're going to go over here again, cross. You cross both inner cores underneath, down through the middle. Every time. This is a repeating pattern on both sides. Always pull that inner core up first, then you bring in the outside edge. And you can snug up a little more, not too much. Push up with your thumb. Press down. Take a look, see what you're looking at. See if you're even. You try to stay even on both sides when you're moving this down. So you want these outside edges to be even all the way down. So, I'm gonna go again. Same thing. I mean, you see a lot of people show it this way, so I'll show it this way. So you go underneath here, and then you go down through here. And I've got a lot of cord, that's why I was doing it the other way. So make sure you don't have any kinks there. Grab it here, put your finger under here, pull up, make sure you're getting that angle Pull it up, not too tight. Switch your hands if you want. Now pull that white in. There you go. Tighten this up a little more. And push down. So we're gonna do, I'll do one or two more of these, and then I'll finish up. I'll post another video that's the end of this one. So I just want to make sure that you guys got this is so simple. It's really, really a simple bracelet to make. But like I say, it's very delicate. And if you're not careful, you'll be jerking it in like this. And if you jerk it in, just push it back out with your fingers and work it. Just work on it. You want to see there? It's looking nice. But it'll go by really quick. But sometimes when you're doing it fast, you're going to make some mistakes, and you'll notice when you get back and it's finished and you're ready to tie it off, you'll look back up and you'll say, uh-oh, I've got some of those outer edges, they're out too far, and they're not even all the way down. And that's going to happen sometimes. So there are ways I've found out that you can alleviate that problem a little by pushing and then pushing it back up, making it a little looser in one section than another. You really won't be able to tell the difference, or at least most people won't. So anyhow, that's how I do this. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this after I tighten this. Always remember, keep your hand under here. It really helps out a lot with some pressure there. And then pressure with your finger up against here when you're pulling this outside line. And I'm trying to make sure, whoops, excuse me, cheapo Michael's jig. But it works till I can get something better. Anyway, that's what mine's actually starting to spread out as I go down, so I probably need to tighten mine up a little bit. Yeah, that's a little better. But anyway, check back in a minute and I'll show you how to finish it up.